Hey guys, as promised, here we are with the overnight oats recipe, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. This is the first of many recipes I'm going to be sharing. So the overnight oat recipe was really important to be shared because the origin of overnight oats are a quick breakfast or snack that is nutritious, satiating, and keeps you full for a few hours. You know, it's comprised of oatmeal, chia seeds, some kind of milk. I like to use almond milk, a yogurt. I like to use Greek yogurt. And this is what it looks like after it sets up overnight. The recipe that I'm giving to you. So let me push this spoon in here and look, can turn the thing upside down. So this is the base recipe. Once you have a base, you branch off of your base. Inside of this base, there is no protein powder. There is no peanut butter powder. But these would make great additions to that. If you're going to add a powder to this base recipe, make sure you add a little extra milk. Like I said, in this recipe we're using almond milk, but if you want to use regular milk, you can do that. I am very excited to share this overnight oats recipe with you because overnight oats are supposed to be a healthy thing, and there's a lot of junk out there for sale that is made up of, let me guess by the looks of it, oatmeal, water, no chia seeds. Oatmeal without chia seeds, overnight oats without chia seeds is not really overnight oats. It's like the chia seeds are as an important of an ingredient as the oatmeal. It's an expensive ingredient. Maybe that's why they're not used. And so some of the overnight oats that are out there for sale, total garbage, water, oatmeal, children's cereal, no good. So with this recipe I've given you, you get to see the quality ingredients that are inside of it. Now, you have your base. If you want to add something to spruce it up a little, this is a great cereal. They sell it in Costco. $13 a box. That's unbelievable. Now, what I can tell you about this cereal is it is concentrated. Every single bite, every single scoop, you get all of this good stuff. It's not like those other cereals, Honey Bunches of Oats and all that, where it's bran flakes and then you feel like you got lucky when you get a little cluster of granola. So this is a great option. You just put some on top. Nutritional information's on the back. Add it to this if you want. Next up, you have granola. This is probably not the best granola, but it's pretty good. Put a serving of that on top, spruce it up a little. Or you can just throw some craisins, dried cranberries, and maybe some, imagination. You're getting in the kitchen. I want you to get in the kitchen, have some fun. There's going to be some trial and error. So maybe put some unsweetened coconut flakes and craisins on there. Get your hands on some no sugar added chocolate chips. Now, what I can say is that there's meal prep companies out there that are not, these are really expensive. They're not using these regular chocolate chips and say like, oh, these are semi-sweet, dark chocolate chips. They're full of sugar. And if you knew the nutritional content of full sugar chocolate chips, you would then take that and reference the nutritional facts on the packaging, and somebody's lying. But let's get back to it. So peanut butter and jelly overnight oats are great. No peanut butter and jelly here. Pick a peanut butter. This stuff's pretty good. Pick an almond butter. Get an organic peanut butter, whatever you want. Put a scoop on top. Get your hands on some jelly. Maybe you want some grape jelly. Maybe you want some raspberry jelly. I like this one. It's sugar-free. So I put that. I put the peanut butter. I put the jelly. I got peanut butter and jelly overnight oats. You can get your hands on a fresh apple. Peel it. Don't peel it. Whatever. Take the core out. Cut it up into little squares. Saute it. Simmer it down. Throw it in the microwave with a little of, what is that stuff over here? Here's the chia seeds, and remember, mandatory ingredient in overnight oats. Get you some fresh apples, sprinkle a little sugar-free sweetener on there, and saute it in the pan. Throw it in the microwave to soften it up. When you put it in the pan, the apples break down, and it start to caramelize, and then let it cool and throw it on top of your overnight oats. Then you have a apple overnight oats. You could do the same thing with a banana. Take a fresh banana, cut it up, add some of that stevia stuff, cook it down, let it chill, put it on your overnights, and you got banana overnight oats. Now, I'm giving you some healthy options for your overnight oats. They're not as exciting as cannoli, cream cheese, Fruit Loop overnight oats like sold out there, but I'm giving you a clean recipe, like a no BS clean recipe, because it happens too many times that some products that are out there are the furthest thing from even being close to healthy, in the unsuspecting customer thinking, oh, I'm eating these are good and they're healthy. No, they're not. The ones we make are healthy. This recipe I've shared with you is healthy, and I hope you use it and make your own overnight oats. They're fun to make, easy to make. I'm giving you the recipe. Get any kind of container. They sell mason jars or Tupperware. This is just a glass that I had. And you cover it up. You put it in your refrigerator overnight, and you have overnight oats. That's why it's called overnight oats. You can make a few of them at a time. You can have one for every other day of the week. They last about 5 days in the refrigerator. So I'm going to assemble this into a peanut butter and jelly. And there you have it. There's my peanut butter and jelly overnight oats. No hidden ingredients. Pretty simple. If I want, I can mix this all around. But what I like to do is I like to get a little of each in each bite. Portion how much of each I have in each bite. That's great. And I know everything that's in them. Until next time.